evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
All right.
Good evening.
All right. Very good. Very good. Hope you guys had a very
Good.
hope you had a great day. All right.
Yeah, we did. Yes, sir.
All right. That's beautiful. Happy
And you,
Sunday.
sir.
How many of you went to church today?
I did.
Oh, man,
I didn't.
that's good. That's good.
I'm using.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Please mute your microphone. Bono Effion, please mute your microphone. All right. So as usual, please, I need you guys to quickly go to our WhatsApp group and tell people there that the class has already started and they should start joining. Abiola and Yokunle, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Today is going to be a very special one. All right, today is going to be a very special one. We are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday, and then we will, start building something very awesome. And also, as I promised yesterday, I'm going to be showing you, just 10 selected people. I'm going to be showing you how you can access the sponsorship that I told you about, and instead of paying 20,000 naira for the, advanced master course, the scholarship will allow you to have a very, very huge discount, and you will get to know how you can have access to that in this class. All right. And another thing is that we are going to continue with our class, and by God's grace, we are going to achieve our goal. And as promised, by the ending of this free class that we are having, you will actually be able to do stuffs. You'll be able to do stuffs, and you will be ready to actually change your life. May I say that all of you guys that you followed the instructions yesterday, that you actually created a flyer and you sent it to the group, I hope you are already sending it to people that putting it on statuses, uploading on Facebook and all that stuff. I really, really want to say that that's a sign that you are going to go very far. Do you understand? You are going to go very far, because the people who actually do well, the people who actually do well here, or with anything you learn online, any information you learn, right, is people who actually take action. It is not just about learning; it's about actually doing something with, something with what you've learned. Is very, very, very important. There's nothing as important as actually taking action and doing something with what you have learned and following instruction. In fact, there is no shortcut to that. If you don't follow instructions, if you don't do, if you don't actually do what is required of you, it is just as good as not having the information in the first place. What's the point of an information that you have that you did not do anything with it? So I want to believe that that will be a short word that is needed for a wise person. They said a short word is enough for a wise. Do you understand? I'm hoping that will be the short word that will be enough for a wise like you. Very good. Now, without further ado, I want us to proceed with our class. Someone is trying to join. Let me let them in. All right. And some of you are coming late. I won't say more than that, though. Please mute your microphone, please. Make sure your microphone is muted. Make sure your microphone is muted. Now, I'm going to be sharing my screen very soon. Please let me know when you can see my screen. Here is what we are going to do. We are going to finish with today's class. Hey, hello, Muminat, how are you doing? Late comer. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to finish with today's class first before I show you how to have access. So let us begin. Please, when you guys can see my screen, let me know. Just come to the chat section and type there that you can see my screen. All right. And please do not unmute your microphone. If I need you to talk, I will tell you to unmute your microphone and actually talk to me. Do you understand? I'm going to be sharing my screen pretty soon. All right. Boom. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Okay, very good. Akpu David, I can see you. Abiola Adenuga, Menat, Bono, and all. I can see you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, beautiful. Let's get started right away. Let's get started right away. So here's the thing. This is where we are yesterday. Some of you are having issues with your local. Some of you are having issues with your local, and I already told you, whatever issue you are having, take a screenshot, a very clear screenshot, and send it to our group so that we can actually know how to help you. So that we can actually know how to help you. It is very, very important for me to see the error message that it is bringing. All right. And let me tell you something, YouTube is your friend. YouTube is your friend. Whatever issue you are having, whatever issues you are having, all right, please, it's very important for you to just go to YouTube, and then if you type that error message in YouTube, you are going to see a lot of tutorials on, how to solve it. But if you send it to me and I see, I can just go ahead and help you find out that particular, that particular stuff, and I will send it to you. Do you understand? So that is one of the ways for you to get help. All right. So let's get right into today's meeting. Now, what I need you to do is to go to your local WP. So the website that we were working on is Portable Skincare. All right, Portable Skincare. That's the website that we are currently working at. So what I need you to do is to click on Start Site, as we did yesterday. All right, click on Start Site. After you click on Start Site, someone is trying to join. Let me let them in. Ojoluwakemi, late comer. Toby is late comer. All of you. All right. So, as I was saying, what you need to do is to click on Start Site. And then after you click on Start Site and the site is already running, what you want to do is to wait a little bit, wait for a while before you click on Admin. Do you understand? Because if you don't wait for a while, you are going to get a MySQL error. You are going to get a database error. The database is still currently loading. So after a while, let me just click on admin now. It's still loading. Sometimes the error might not come. Sometimes it may come. It doesn't matter. But what I'm saying is that it's possible for you to get that kind of error. But all you just need to do is to reload it. Once you reload the page, you don't have issue. All right? Kamoli Mustafa. Let's come out. All right, so let's proceed with our class. And it's still loading. It's still currently loading. Right, it's still currently loading. Oh yeah, while this is okay, it has already loaded though, but I want to show you guys something. Oh shit. Sorry guys, give me a while. I have a call. Hello? No, I'm not outside. I'm back inside, but I'm currently in a meeting now. Please, I'll call you when I'm done with my meeting. All right? Hello, can you guys hear me? Hello, can you guys hear me? Okay, sorry. A call came in, so my network got jacked up a little bit. Okay, very good. So let's continue. I hope you can hear me very well now. Let's continue. Now, from here.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so our website has already loaded, but I want to show you guys something. I think I played the video of Diamond to you guys yesterday. Let me see. Let me go to my channel, and one of the videos that I put on my channel is Diamond's video. Let me try and play it from my VLC. Let me try and play it from my VLC so that you guys can hear it very well. Where is Nova University? Video testimonials. Diamond. This is Diamond Joseph. Diamond Joseph was part of. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm Diamond Joseph. I'm a graphic designer and a content creator.
Can you guys see my screen?
University.
Can you guys still see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, very good. So before I play this video for you,
we can see it.
Okay, thank you. I already played this video before, but I want to show you something real quick. This is Diamond Joseph, Nova University. So before I go into what he sent to me today, before I show you the details of what he sent to me, let me go to web design masterclass. All right, let me look for class 18. This is class 18. Do you understand? This is class 18. So is it class 18 or class 19? I think maybe class 19 or class 17. I'm not sure. This is class 17. Do you understand? This is class 17. All right, class 17. This is Diamond, which means Diamond participated just like you in class 17. You guys are class 22. All right, you guys are class 22. Diamond participated in class 17. All right, so that was when he actually got into the mentorship program, right? So that was when he started with me, and that was like less than a month ago. Now I want to show you something. So Diamond sent me a message today. I wasn't going to. I actually just decided to start this class with this because this is what is actually going to actually motivate you to actually take action. Now he sent something to me this morning. You remember this video that I posted now? This is my status. That fresh video of me that I posted on the group today. I don't know how many of you guys saw it. All right. But then he said so I created this multi-vendor website and I had an app created out of it. Then now this multi-vendor website that he did it with WordPress. And as I told you in our mentorship program, every Saturday we used to have webinars where we just motivate each other, teach each other new things. When you start with the master course, we take you through all the basics you need to know. But then for you to be able to design maybe an e-commerce website, maybe an hotel website, or all those advanced websites that will allow you to charge more money, that is what we break down in our webinars. And in fact, in our weekly webinars, we have weekly. As I've told you, it's a community. This is not just an online course that you buy on Udemy or something. We have a community, like a community where we help each other, and we have mentors. We have mentors around for you to constantly learn from. So he said, I created a multi-vendor e-commerce that I taught them like 3 weeks ago, and he said I had an app created out of it, and I got this offer. Now this is the offer that he got. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it's an offer that said, don't worry, I can pay you $5,000, no problem. Don't worry, I can pay you $5,000, no problem. That's like it's like a foreign job offer. So he said, I intended selling it for $5,000, but then this offer came in. What should I do? So and I said, oh, great, I will get back to you on this. I was still working on something at that point, so I've not replied him actually. I'll reply him later. But when I saw this, it just came to my mind, and I was very happy that I've actually created something that is genuinely changing people's life. Do you understand? And I want to show these things to you guys as much as possible, because I know that this is just what somebody needs in order to be able to take the right action that will actually, bring a positive change to their life. It doesn't have to be long. That is the whole point of mentorship. All right, that is the whole point of mentorship. So I mean, I wish Diamond very well. I wish him very well. I'm happy for him, and I hope that I will be able to do the same thing for some of you here. So I just want to say a very huge congratulations to some of you that you will get the chance to join, the mentorship group, the mentorship program, that you will get to join our community. Congratulations in advance. That's what, that's just what I want to say. Let me let this person in. Okay, another person wants to join. Latecomers, Karim Taiwo, latecomer. All right, so let's go back to our work. Now, this is our dashboard. All right, this is our dashboard. And let's see how our website looks. This is what we have right now. All right, this is what we have right now. We have already created this header yesterday. We created this beautiful header yesterday. And let's continue. Let's go back to our dashboard. What I need you guys to do is to go to, from our dashboard, go to pages. Click on pages. And also, someone told me, someone sent me a message today that they were having issues installing Ocean WP. Now, if you are having an error that says something is wrong with WordPress.org or something, it means you are not connected to a strong internet. All right, you are not connected to a strong internet, or your internet connection is not loading. Do you understand? If your internet connection is not good, it won't be able to actually, load stuffs, right? It won't be able to, because it needs to download Ocean WP from the internet. So after you are done downloading Ocean WP, let's say after you are done downloading Ocean WP, you can now disconnect from the internet and continue working. But if you want to install a new theme or install a new plugin, you need to be connected to the internet. It's very, very important for you to know this, so that we are not going to keep on having these issues. Now, if you are following me, I want you to type in the chat section that I am following. Just type I am following. If you are following me, I want you to type I am following. If you are following me, I want you to type I am following. All right. If you are following me, I want you to type I am following. All right. Okay, very good. I can see a lot of you are following. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Oluwaseun Owo Nifari. I know you just joined. I saw you. You just joined right now. Late comer. I saw you when you joined. All right. So, okay, very good. A lot of people are following, are actually following. Now, here's the thing. So you are already on pages. I told you guys to click on pages. So when you get to pages, what I need you to do right now is to see, these are the menus that we added about us, contact us, pricing, and all those stuffs. We added it in the menu yesterday. Automatically, it will create a page. It will create pages that are, that are corresponding to those menus here. But what we don't have is home. We don't have home. So what we need to do is to click on Add New and let us add home. All right, let us add an home page. All right, let us add an home page. So we're gonna go ahead and just get out of here. So let us call the title home. You see what I did? I clicked on the title and I renamed it home. So after I did that, come to Ocean WP settings here, this Ocean WP settings. What I need you to do is to click on 100% full width. All right, so that it will not have sidebar. If you look at our page right now, there is a sidebar here, but then we don't want our home page to have a sidebar. So what I need you to do is to click on 100% full width. So after you've done 100% full width, I need you to publish changes. Just publish it. All right. After you have published it, now you have your website URL here /home. Now, what I need you to do right now, after we have created home, let us view page. Let us see how that page looks right now. If we view it, you can now see it is now blank. There is no sidebar. There is nothing. All right. So there is no sidebar. There is nothing. And we have this as portable skincare.local/home. But I don't want you to have /home. I want this place to be the home page, such that when they go to my website.com, it will land them here. It doesn't have to say /home. Do you understand? So what we need to do is to set this place, this particular new page that we created, is to set it as the home page. If you don't really understand what I mean, don't worry, just follow these steps. What I need you to do is to click on customize. Click on customize. Let's go back to the customizer. All right, click on customize. All right, this is our community. Do you understand? People are constantly helping each other. All right, this person said, I have installed local WP just exe, but I'm using XAMPP stuff. According to the course outline, please kindly assist. I was not even online to answer this person. Someone else answered the person. Do you understand? Someone else answered the person. This is a community of winners. I'm telling you. This is a community of winners. And then we have a special group for web designers. We have another group for people that are doing video editing. Do you understand? We have another special group for people that are doing video editing. All right. What's going on? Okay, very good. So we have another special group for people that are doing video editing. Immediately after you get into the nation, I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll be automatically added to this group, and then we can start doing stuff to change your life. This is my favorite quote: success is not hard if you have a mentor. This is my favorite quote, and I want to make sure that every time you wake up and you come to the nation and you come to the community, you can see this, so that you will always see it and it will be stuck inside that your big head. All right, so let's continue. So after you are already in the customizer, what I need you to do is to scroll and click on home page settings. You see home page settings here. You know, we did site identity, menu, widgets, and all that stuff. We did them yesterday. So what I need you to do is to click on home page settings, and instead of setting it as your latest post, just click on a static page. And we're now going to set that static page to be a page that we have created that is called home. Do you understand? Remember what we first did? We first went ahead to create one page called home. Then after we have created home, then we came back to this customizer to set home as the home page. Now let me bust your brain. Now later, after I've published it and I get out of here. After I've published this and I get out of here, and let's say I now go to, you can see it is now portableskincare.local. It does not have /home again, which means if I go to my home page, it is automatically landing on this, on that new home that I created. So which is beautiful. That is exactly what we want. And again, if you don't understand what I just did, don't worry. Don't really worry. Just follow exact step-by-step process that I'm doing here, and you should be fine. All right? Am I being too fast, guys? Okay, Miriam wants to
No, you're not.
Okay, Miriam wants to excuse herself for some minutes because she's facing a little problem right now, and it is making her lose concentration. Okay, Miriam, we are granting you the permission. I hope everything is fine. I hope there's no issue. And as soon as you fix your issue, please, you can come ahead and join us back. And if there is anything we can do to help, please let us know. All right. So, okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and let's go back to our dashboard. All right. Let's go back to our dashboard. We are back on our dashboard. So let's go back to pages, and let's go ahead and do something with our home. So it is home page. You can now see beside our home is now saying it is the front page now. It is the front page because we have selected it under the customizer to be the front page. All right. Under that drop-down customizer, if I had selected services, it's the services that will be on the front page. So when people go to www.yourwebsite.com, it is the services page that they will be sent to directly. But we set it to be home so that it does make sense that it is the home page that they will be directed to directly. All right. So just go ahead and click on edit. Go ahead and click on edit. Now again, let me show you something. All right. So that I will not forget. As these things are popping into my head, I want to be writing them down so that I want to be telling you exactly so that you will not forget. I want to show you this while it is still loading. Let's continue. Okay, I think it is done loading. Now, this particular website right here is an hotel website where people can actually book. This is more than just a design, like just design. No, this is a website where people can actually book an hotel service. They can book a room. They can make payments. Do you understand? It's still loading. Let's leave it to load finish. All right. I want it to load finish so that you guys will see. It's still loading. I don't know why my network is a little bit slow today, but it's all good. All right. So when it is done loading, I'm going to come back here and show you. Let's continue so that we are not going to waste time. Now from here, you can see that we can now start building our website out. Now this is not the recommended way of building a website. I want to show you the worst way of building a website, because if I show you the worst way, you will get to appreciate the good way. When you see a worst way of doing something, you will get to appreciate the good way of actually doing it. Now from here, you can now go ahead and start adding blocks. You can click on add plus the plus button here. All right, this is called Gutenberg editor. You can click on the plus button here and there are some widgets that you can use to actually build your website out here. You can go ahead and take these headings, drag heading into here, and then you can go and say, this is my new website, like Microsoft Word. Do you understand? You can say you want to put an image. You can click on an image. All right. Oh shit! How many images did this thing had? Do you understand? You can say you want to just click on click on upload. All right. So once you click on upload, it's going to open something. Then I'm going to go to pictures. Then I'm going to select an image to put. Let me put Big Sam one name. And when I insert the image, then the image will be here, and I can go ahead and add something else. And these are elements that you can actually use to build out your image. You can add a button. All right, you can go ahead and add a button and say click me, and you can send the button to wherever you want. I want it to go to services. All right, so when I click on it, I want to go to the services page. All right, and then if I update this, let's say I update this and I view page. All right, let's say I view page now. This is how my website looks now. You can see this is the heading that I put. This is the heading, this is the image, this is the button, and lo and behold, if I click this button, it will take me to the services page. All right, now this is not a very good way of doing it. I mean, I'm going to show you a way better way of doing stuff, but let's go back to the page. I just clicked on edit page here, and it will take me back to the editor. So I'm going to delete all those things that I've done, all this Momo thing that is here. I'm going to go ahead and remove block, and I'm going to remove all these blocks. I don't know why this thing added all these things. All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove all these blocks. I'm going to remove all these blocks. I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. All right, are you guys still following me? Can you guys still hear me, or am I just talking to myself?
Yes, sir. We are following.
We are following.
Be following you. All right. So I'm still deleting all these things. I want to delete everything. Everything. Oh, guys, and I need a favor from you guys. I need a favor immediately after the ending of our class. That will be tomorrow. I would need you guys to create a selfie video. All right. The selfie video, it's going to be about 30 minutes to 30 seconds to 1 minute. You're just going to just express your gratitude about the free class, and just talk to a camera, like all those, just exactly something like all those testimonial videos that you guys saw. This will actually help me to better convince people that this is actually a real deal, and it will also help me to source for funding so that we can continue to run this class, and we can continue to give scholarships to people so that they don't have to pay 20,000 naira. Do you understand? So the scholarship that you guys are actually going to enjoy today is sponsored by Union Bank. Do you understand? So our deal with Union Bank will close very soon. Guys, please give me a minute. Someone is knocking on my door. Please give me a minute. I'll be back soon. Hello, are you guys still there? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. The last time when I went out to get fuel, I just saw one of the people around, and she said she wants to come and collect Sunday money. Sunday money. So she came here to collect money. I already gave it to them. I mean, you just gotta do what you have to do. Anyways, can we continue with our meeting now?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
definitely.
sir.
Okay, definitely. Now, can you guys still see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we
okay,
can.
okay, beautiful.
I
Now, this is the hotel website that I was telling you guys about. You see this hotel website? This is a website for an hotel. You can actually book. You can book a room here. You can see check room availability. if you actually learn how to do this and you can do it for an hotel, they will actually pay you a lot more. You can sell this for a lot more money because this is not just an interface. They can actually see something with. You can check availability. If you click on check availability, it will show you the rooms that are currently available, for booking. Do you understand? You can select the date you want, you can select the number of people and all that stuff. And then when you select this room, all right, it's actually going to take you to the page where you can actually, do all the reservations and all this stuff. But it is still loading. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because those are some of the things that you will be able to do in the mentorship group, right? Now, the thing is that after you learn the basics, our weekly program is just me teaching everyone in my mentorship group how you can build more stuffs. And this website is actually done with WordPress, this same thing that you are learning. Now, I'm going to tell you guys about plugins. I told you that themes, they will change the way your website looks. Plugins will add extra functionality. It is a plugin that is doing all these booking stuffs. Do you understand? Now, if you know some of these things, you will be able to charge more. I see that, I told you guys to make a flyer yesterday about, a web design. Some of you are putting, the person that puts most is 70K, 100K, which is fine. But let's say you can build this hotel stuff with WordPress that you are learning currently. You can easily charge 300K, 400K for that kind of website. A website that they can actually book online, their clients can pay online, they can receive hotel reservations online. Is that not awesome? If you can do that, you will be able to charge at least 300, 400. All you need is just one client in a month, 300K, and that's all. You can continue playing around and doing whatever you like. All right. So this is actually a real opportunity that I think, in fact, see, if you are a graphic designer inside this group, if you are a graphic designer and you are listening to me right now, if you don't take this thing seriously, I will punch you in the throat. I mean, you understand what I'm saying? From my experience, guys, I've noticed that it is graphic designers that get these things very fast because they already have the rudiment of how designs is. And they actually, Francis was a graphic designer, Diamond was a graphic designer, Adaramaja is not a graphic designer, but is doing super well as well. There are a lot of them that I cannot even remember their name. Kolade is a graphic designer. What's this girl's name? Precious is from Port Harcourt to Uniport. Precious is not a graphic designer. This girl, Annabelle is not a graphic designer. She used to bake cake. It's cake that she does. And now she's doing very, very well with chatbots. Messi as well. Messi was not a graphic designer. She can build any chatbot in this life now. So people are actually doing very great. And this is just another thing that I want to, that I just want to show you. Okay, so as I was saying, so from here, I made mention of something that plugins will actually, give you much more functionality. Themes will let it look fine. Plugin will increase functionality. Now, we have to install a plugin that will actually allow us to build a website in a much more beautiful way. Now, click on this W icon. It will take you back to your dashboard. What I need you to do is to click on plugins. All right. I need you to click on plugins. So immediately after your plugin has already loaded up, what I need you to do is to click on add new. Click on add new. Now we have a lot, thousands of plugins, hundreds of thousands of plugins, and all these plugins, they actually add extra functionality to our website. Extra functionality. For example, now, I told you guys something about, about WhatsApp chat. If you want to add a direct WhatsApp chat button to your website, you can do it. From here, you can just say, okay, let's say WhatsApp chat. Let's say you type WhatsApp chat here. All right. You're going to see a plugin on WhatsApp chat. You will see a plugin on WhatsApp chat, right? You will see a plugin on WhatsApp chat. All right. This is simple web chat. We have a lot of them. Do you understand? You can just look for one that has a very good rating and install that one. Do you understand? Let's say let me install this first one. Click to chat. Let me install this first one. I just want to show you something. I just want to show you how plugins work and how they can actually add extra functionality to your website that you can, just, ask people to pay much more money. You can just ask people to pay much more money for you to, put those extra functionality inside your website. Do you understand? So I've already installed that. Click to chat. So let me go to see. You can see click to chat here. Do you understand? This is another option that was not here before. But immediately I installed this plugin, click to chat is here. So if I click on it, to customize it to set it up. If I click on it right now, all right, it is still currently loading. I just want to show you that before we go and install the plugin that will allow us to, actually do that stuff. Now, so from here, it's telling me to put in my WhatsApp number. All right, it's telling me to put in my WhatsApp number. And this is the instruction: WhatsApp number or business WhatsApp, e.g. whatever here in number 91 is my country code. And so our own is 234, right? That's Nigerian's country code, and my number is 703799171747. All right. Immediately after I have done that, the message that I want to be prefilled. All right. What message do I want? I will say, "Hello, this is coming from my website," and then call to action. You can just say chat on WhatsApp. All right, WhatsApp web. Yes, I wanted to do on WhatsApp web. All right, let me just go ahead and let me just leave all these other extra settings and click on save changes. All right, let me click on save changes. Now, if you go back to your website, and you go and see your website, lo and behold, that widget should come on. Do you understand? The widget is not coming on now. Where is the widget? The widget is not coming on. Let me see. Maybe we did not set it up. Maybe there is something we've not set up. I don't know. I've actually never used this before. Okay, show. Let me see. Let me click on show. I've not used this particular one before, but let's just see. Let me try and see if I can figure it out. And if I can't figure it out, I'm going to change it to another plugin. And let's see. What the WhatsApp number? I've already done that. So let me reload again and see if it works. If it does not work, I'm going to add another one. I'm going to check another one. All right, maybe the reason why I couldn't get this to work is because I've not used it before. Let me
actually did, and I saw it on my website.
You saw it on your website?
Yes, sir.
It's working. Okay, it's working on your own website, right? It's not working on my own. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not showing here. But let me use the one that I actually know how to use. Let me deactivate this one. Right? Let me deactivate this one and use the one that I know how to use. WhatsApp chat. Let me use the one that I used to use. But this is not even where I'm going today. I just want to show you guys this real quick. This is the one that I used to use, Chatsy. All right, this is the one I used to use. I love this a lot, Chatsy. It is very, very handy. All right, this is the one that I used to use. All right. So I just want to show you how plugins can help add extra functionalities. And also, if you want to create something like this, let me show you another very, very sweet and beautiful website that I created. What's the name of this website, sir? Okay. I think I've already showed you the guys this before, but let's load up, sure. Let me see. So this is another one. This is an e-commerce website. Now, there is a special plugin that you are going to install that will give your website e-commerce functionality. So you can actually do a lot. It is just much more than charging 50,000, 70,000 for a website. But then you will start somewhere that you are going to start. It is not the day that, baby steps, start small and scale up. All right. So you'll be able to do something like this too. This is a fully functional e-commerce website. All right, where people can, they can actually add a product to cart. All right, they can add a product to cart. They can add a product to cart. They can view, you see, it is now inside cart. So they can go ahead and check out. They can check out. And then after they check out, they will, make payments. They can go away and they can go ahead and do a direct bank payments or even card payment and other stuff. So if you can do this, if you can build this, you can charge a sweet 200,000, 250,000 for an e-commerce website. And there are a lot of people out there that they want to take their, their online shop online. They want to take their store online. And in fact, I'm going to show you guys something that will actually, bust your brain. But let's just get there. Baby steps. All right. So I've already installed Chatsy. Let me activate. All right. Let me activate Chatsy and just set it up real quick so that you guys can see. You guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Now from here, I'm going to skip this. All right. I'm going to skip this ahead. Now let me just put in. Let me put in my WhatsApp number 234. Okay, I need to select Nigeria first. I hope you guys are seeing this. Oh, that's not Nigeria. Where's Nigeria? This is Nigeria. I need to select Nigeria first, and I need to do 7037991747. That's me, and then allow WhatsApp chat to pop up. Yes, and I can do any customizer message that I want to show them, and let me save. Let me just save. All right. Immediately after I save this, if I go back to my website and I reload, this should, hopefully, can you see the WhatsApp chat button is now there? So when I click on it, it will pop up and I can actually say, hi, admin, I want to buy your product. This is a live chat, a live WhatsApp chat. You can see now. Be sure you've not seen it. Are you not seeing this? Is this not amazing? Is this not awesome? Someone tell me, is this not awesome?
It's really awesome.
What are we talking about? So from here, you can go ahead and send the message. And once you send the message, it will automatically be opening WhatsApp. You can see it's opening WhatsApp on my desktop now. Abby, is this not WhatsApp that is opening? And then after it opened WhatsApp,
Yes.
If you are on your phone, it will automatically open WhatsApp for you on your phone. But because I'm on a laptop, it is opening, WhatsApp desktop. Sure, you understand. So you get the point. Now. I don't want to. That's already opened, and I can. It is starting to chat, and it will actually send that particular message to me. Do you understand? But if you are on a phone, it will be, it will be much more interesting. Can you see? Hi, admin. I want to buy whatever. And if I click on this, and that's it. So that is how plugins can add extra functionalities to your website. Do you understand? You just need to know the right plugins to use. But here is the thing: some of those plugins, that will do extra things, like maybe an hotel accommodation, cars, like car dealer, real estate, and all those stuffs. Real estate is just the best. Real estate people, they have money. If you know how to sell yourself, you can sell a website for 600, 500, 1 million, 1.2. Real estate people, if you know how to street talk and you know your stuff very well, real estate is awesome. And I have some real estate plugins, although they are not free. You have to pay for them, right? You will have to pay for them, but it will be worth it if you actually get the job and you do one real estate job. So let's leave that one. So as I've told you, plugins had extra functionality. So with that knowledge, let's go and add an extra plugin. Please give me a while. Let me lock my door. I don't want another person to come here and be disturbing me. All right, I'm back. All right, so the plugin that we are going to install right now, let's go back to add new. Just add new. The plugin that we are going to install right now is called Elementor. All right, Elementor. Do you understand? Install Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. So once you search for Elementor, it will bring it. That's the first one you are going to see. It's a page builder. I love Elementor so much. Just go ahead and click on install. All right. I need you to click on install. All right. I need you to click on install. I need you to click on install. So it's still installing. Are you guys with me? If you are following, please tell me you are following. Just type I am following. Type I am following if you are following. I'm checking the chat section right now. Okay, very beautiful. The energy is crazy out here. Okay, Miriam is back. Alao Miriam, you are back, right? Hope everything is fine. Okay, beautiful. All right, very good. Now, let's go back. So my Elementor is still installing. It is still writing installing. Let's just leave it. Let it continue installing. See this person. Let's go back. Maruf Dean, Saliu, latecomer. All right. So it is still installing. I don't know why this thing has not finished installing. All right, it's still installing. All right, let's just give it a while for it to finish installing. I don't know. Maybe if it is taking a while, don't worry. Just leave it. Let it do its thing. Do you understand? Let it do its thing. There's no problem. All right.
We can't see your screen again, sir.
Sorry, what did you say?
We can't see your screen again, sir.
We can't see your screen again.
Oh. Okay, please give me a while. Let me try and pull it back up. Give me a while. I'll try and pull it back up, please. Oh. I'm trying to pull it back up, please. Give me a while. Something must have gone. I think I mistakenly. Something must have gone. All right, please give me a while. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
No, we can't.
Not yet, sir.
No, sir. Can't see that.
No, sir.
Can you see it now?
I can see it now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see
Okay,
it.
that's it. Okay, very good. I don't know why this thing is still clicking. It is still doing installing. Mute your microphone, please. I don't know why this thing is still. This thing is still installing. I don't know why. As your own installed, I don't know why mine is still just clicking. It's just doing installing.
Mine has installed, sir.
Yeah, just go ahead and activate it. Mine is still loading. I don't know why it's doing that. But then, now this is to tell you that sometimes, things will not install at the first instant. Some people came to my DM yesterday and they told me that they are having issues installing OceanWP and all that stuff. It happens like that. All you just have to do is to reload your page and try again. It will work. Like for example, now you can see my Elementor is not installing. So what I will do is that I will reload the page and I will try again. And I hope this thing will load, shall. And if it is not loading, maybe we are just going to take off from this place tomorrow, because this is almost 1 hour. All right, this is almost 1 hour, and I don't want us to, because I'm currently in the office. I came to the office on Sunday because of you guys.
Wow, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah, it's done. Can you see? It has already installed, so I'm going to click on activate. So I'm going to click on activate. All right, it has already activated. All right, it's already activated. So immediately Elementor is already activated. So that what I need to do is to go back to pages. Now it is now this new plugin that will give me more functionality to mess with my my design. So click on home. All right, click on home. Now there's a new button now that says edit with Elementor. This button was not there before. All right, this button was not there before, but now we have this new button here that says edit with Elementor. Just go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. All right, go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. Now the replace to this class, I might send it tomorrow. Do you understand? It's tomorrow that I will send it, because there is a lot of things I want to edit out. All these parts where people came around to greet me, to collect money from me, I would have to just cut that place out, because I want this recording to be as clean as possible. I want to cut that place out. Sure, you understand? And also, when I had to go out and find something, I actually forgot my I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet where I was pouring fuel inside my generator. So I forgot the wallet inside the generator house. So I was looking all over for it when I wanted to give those guys money. So I had to go back to the generator house to fetch it and all that stuff. So I want to cut out that part so that when you are watching this video again, it's going to be as clean as possible. All right. So, and that will take a while. That might take a while. So it should probably be tomorrow. But tomorrow before 12 o'clock, it should be ready. All right, it should be ready to go. Now, you can now see that we now have a new platform that we can actually use to create our website now, which is awesome. See all these widgets that you can see here. See all these widgets that you see here. We can use these elements, these widget elements. We can use it to actually create our website. Now from here, let's see this plus button right here. This plus button. Click on this plus button. Now, these are called sections. All right, these are called sections. Do you understand? So how many column section do you want to choose? This is a single column section, 2 column section, 3 column section, 4 column section. You get the point, right? Let me show you an example. If we go to a website like this, let's say I go to home page. Let's say I go to home page. All right, I want to show you something. I just want to show you something here. Now, okay, even in this footer, let me use this footer. Okay, yeah, home page has loaded. Home page has loaded. Now, this is called the hero section, like the banner, the first hero section that you're going to see. Do you understand? Look at this section that follows it. This is a 3 column section. This is a 3 column section. This is section 1, section 2, section 3. When I was designing this thing, this was what I selected. This 3-1. This one with 3 column. Do you understand? This is column 1, column 2, column 3. I can go ahead and put and drag image elements here, all right, or drag video elements here, and maybe drag heading or button heading elements here, button elements here, literally drag button elements here. Someone is trying to join. Late comer, onset, late comer. So I can drag them here. Do you understand? So that's a 3 column, that's a 3 column section. Let me delete this. Let me delete the whole thing. And I just click on the cross button to delete it. Let me take a single column, because what we want to do is we want to create an hero section. Now let me go back to the demo website that we're working on. Delivery @densdigital.com. All right, let me go back to the demo website. This is the demo website that we are working on. Do you understand? So let us try as much as possible and create this this banner, and this will probably be where we are going to stop for today, and we are going to continue tomorrow. Do you understand? Let's see what we can do, because I still want to show you guys how to enroll for the masterclass. Now from here we can go ahead and see we already have this. Click on these 6 dots here. Once you click on these 6 dots, the left panel here will come to the settings panel of this particular section. So what I need you to do is to come to advanced. So when you get to advanced, I need you to unlink these values first. Do you understand? Unlink these values first and give it a top padding of let's say 250. With a top padding of 250, give it a bottom padding of 250 as well. Do you understand? You can see that the thing is now wide. Now come to style. Come to style. You can give it a classic color. Click, see, this is background. Under background type, click on classic, and you can give it a solid color. You can give it a solid color background, or probably you can give it a gradient background, mixture of many colors, or you can give it a video background. See, you can see that it's a video that is playing in the background here. You can give it a video background. Now go to YouTube, grab any video. Let's say I do background video for websites. Let's click on background video for websites. A lot of people, there are a lot of very good background videos that you can actually use. All right, just get one random. Shall make sure that the one that you get is is free. All right, let me just say I copy this one. Let me copy this one. This particular one looks cool. Let me come here. I'll just paste that video link. I'll paste it here. So once I paste that video link here, right, you can see it is loading now. It is loading, and that is playing. That video is playing. So I can now go ahead and add a background overlay. Come to background overlay. All right, I want to add a little bit of dark background overlay. Come to background overlay, background type, select and make it black. All right, so once you make it black, you should make it dark a little bit so that the text on it will show. If you're a graphic designer, you will understand why I had to do this, so that when I start bringing, come to this Rubik's Cube icon, click on it, it will take you back to the original, it will take you back to the settings panel, it will take you back to the icons, all the elements that we have. So this is heading, drag heading inside. Do you understand? All right, I also need you to, what do we have here? We have fastest delivery in Port Harcourt, we have some demo text. So drag heading inside, and also drag text editor, and also come back to Rubik's Cube and also drag in a button. So we have some things to do. We need to centralize this, make it, I just clicked on these elements. I clicked on these elements here, and it will take me to the settings panel of that element. I can change it to the fastest delivery in Port Harcourt. All right, just go ahead and centralize it. I just clicked on center here, and also this one too. I click on this one, and I can, sorry, let me click on this one as well. Let me go ahead and what is going on? Let me click on this one. Let me go ahead to style and centralize it as well. Let me centralize the button as well. I'm centralizing it because everything is now centered. I want to change this to white. Click on this particular heading, click on settings. All right, change the color to white. All right, and I need you to go ahead and go to typography, increase the size. You can change the font if you want to maybe Montserrat. All right, you can change the fonts to Montserrat if you want. You can change, you can change anything you want to change. And also this one too, you can change the color the same way. You can change the color of your button too if you want. All right, I'm going a little bit kind of fast now because time is against us. You can change it to red if you want. You can change it to whatever the hell you like. Do you understand? This is just a video background, and if you want to go back to the settings of this big image, go to this this section, these 6 dots here, click on it, and you can go back to the settings panel. Instead of choosing a video background, you can choose a slideshow, and you can add a slideshow of images. All right, you can add a slideshow of images. Let me add more image. Let me upload more images. All right. You guys should just chill. Let me upload more images. Let me just upload some random images. All right. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and just create new gallery, and you can just insert. And then after you finish inserting, this thing will just be, it should be changing. You can see that the background is changing. Do you understand? So you can do and undo. So that will be the end of today's class. All right. So now to show you, this is the moment of truth. If you are sleeping, stop sleeping now and really pay acute attention. Do you understand? Because I'm not going to repeat myself. All right, I'm just going to say it once. If you like, catch it. If you don't like, see if you like, don't catch it. Do you understand? I'm not going to repeat myself. This is how you are going to have access to, the mentorship, the sponsorship code. Let me go to Nova University and show you some stuff. Are you guys with me?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we are.
Okay, Tun
Yes, sir.
Oki. Tun Oki said he is lost. Samuel Ogungbe said, okay, he might not be able to complete today's class. Okay, no problem, but I would want you to try as much as possible to listen here. It's just 10 slots, and I will tell you why it is 10. See something.
I was lost during the settings for the Elementor.
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to send you the video so that you can check it out. You can calm down, sit down, and actually do stuff. Now, from here, this is the mentorship. So let me show you the course overview, the course that you are going to take. That is the first course. We are not going to allow you into our WhatsApp group, or else you finish that course. Then after you finish that course, then we can know that this person has already gone through the basics, and then we can now start doing much more advanced stuff together. All right. Now from here, it's still loading. Let it finish loading. And as you guys know, this Nova University thing is created with WordPress as well. You just have to know the right plugins that can do the things in which you want to do. This is the course that you are going to be taking. Now, if I click on View More, I want to show you something. If I click on View More, pay acute attention here. It's very, very important. If I click on View More, I'm going to come to the course page itself. All right, this is the course page. It is created by me, and this is the course overview. All right, these are the lectures that are there, about 60 something lectures. Do you understand? But that's not even where I'm going. Where I'm going is that this is not just about web design. After you are done, see all these things that I taught you guys in these 4 days. It is just in module 1. Module 1 is introduction, all this stuff. It is just module 2 and module 3. Do you understand? Importing. Okay, see, the best way to build a professional website, which is with Elementor, building a page from scratch. That is what I'm teaching you guys now. That is just module 3. We still have module 4, module 5, module 6, module 7, module 8, and module 9. Now, here is the beautiful part. After you guys are done learning web design, I also taught how you can build chatbots. Do you guys know chatbots? How you can build chat robots? Chat robots are just special chat robots. You can use.
Yes.
These chat robots will enable you to sell your product even when you are not there. And business owners, they pay. In fact, we can take chat robots and infuse it inside people's websites, and that will make it much more. People are not doing that. That is what will make us unique. And when we tell clients that we can do this for them, it's actually going to make them pay us more, and they will consider us even much more than other people that are doing that. Do you understand? Now, this is where you are going to optimizing chatbot for depots required and other stuff. All right. So, and this is another one, how you can improve your design skills. Email marketing, all those sweet automatic emails that you guys are receiving, your attendance emails, I don't have to touch it. Everything has been set via email marketing. I don't have to touch it ever in my life. Do you understand? It is email responder, autoresponder. Immediately after you register for this masterclass, you immediately receive an automatic email that contains the rules and regulations. How many of you received that email? How many of you received that email when you registered?
I received it, sir.
I received it.
Oh, okay, very
I
good.
received it, sir.
So you are going to learn how to do that right here. You're going to learn how to create an autoresponder. It is called autoresponder. And then after you do that, I'm going to teach you the business part. The business part is where you create a mini brand for your web design, and you can create, how you can create stuff on. And the beautiful part, I'm going to teach you Facebook advertisements. Now, when I got started, how many of you know advertisement on Facebook? Let's say you just see a Jumia advertisement pop up for you to come and buy
I know, sir.
a fine bag or something. So I'm actually going to show you how you can actually, create such advertisements and target business owners, so that you don't have to go ahead door by door looking for people to build websites, because it can be hard as someone starting on you. It can be like, where will I see people that will be doing that will be buying my website design services? All those flyers that you have created, I will show you how you can place Facebook advertisements with small money. Place Facebook advertisement, it will show it to a lot of people that actually need their service, and they will contact you. So all you just have to do is to sit down at home, and people will just be coming into your DM to ask for your web design services. Do you understand? And that is how you can create traffic hard. How you can create a Facebook advertisement to do that. Do you understand? And also, this is a webinar that we had, how to get high-paying clients. Do you understand? It was Mr. Francis that took this webinar, and I don't even see. And you are going to get a certificate once you are done. You are going to get a certificate. All right. Once you are done, you will get a certificate, and you can add that to your portfolio, even if you decide to get a job as a web designer in the future. Do you understand? But much more importantly, we are also teaching. Very soon we are working on our Fiverr course, but remember I told you guys that some of my guys are freelancing on Fiverr. Let me show you something. All right, that's now you will understand when I congratulated the 10 people that are going to join this mentorship program. When I congratulated you guys, you should be having an idea of what I meant then. This is Fiverr. What are you seeing right now? What is the first thing that you can see on this Fiverr? How many of you know Fiverr freelancing platform? How many of you know Fiverr?
Hey, sir.
Okay, very good. Now look at this web design. The most popular gig that people buy on Fiverr, the most popular thing people do on Fiverr, you can see popular, is web design, WordPress. Web design, this thing is not showing very well. Web design, WordPress. Web design, WordPress, then after is logo design, then after is dropshipping. Web design, WordPress. Are you kidding me? And that is what you are learning right now. It means with what you have learned in this free class, you can come on Fiverr and start selling your skills and start making money. You don't have to be broke. That's what I'm saying, right? You can see WordPress. If you click on WordPress now, all right, if you click on WordPress, if it is web design that you want to do, if you click on WordPress, you can see. I'm not joining Fiverr. Leave me alone. You can see people charging $100. People charging. This is just a starting at $100. If you click this person's gig, to check it out, you will see that $100 is just where he's starting from. All right, $100 is just where he's starting from, just for a 2-page website. Now, his standard package is $250. How much do you think $250 is in Nigerian naira? Multiply it. His premium package is
125,000.
Is almost 400,000 naira. That's his premium. That is his premium gig. Do you understand? So, but then I can promise you, if you set up Fiverr by yourself, I can promise you there is 98% chance that you will fail, that you are not going to get one single order. The reason is that there are tricks, and there are tricks that you use in order to actually boost yourself on Fiverr. And if you don't know the tricks, you are going to suffer. You are going to struggle. And these are some of the things that these 10 people will be getting. These are some of the things. Once you are comfortable with your web design skills, you can now start. Now, if you now decide that you don't want to go the way of web design, come to digital marketing. Under digital marketing, what can you see? Can you see email marketing? All those autoresponder emails, that you are seeing, people actually pay money to get it done here. Let me click on email marketing for you and see. Click on email marketing for you and see. See, someone is charging $70 to do all these, email autoresponders. Someone is charging, a lot of people are charging a lot of money, depending on your, Someone see, I will manage your email marketing in Klaviyo. This guy is charging $1,300, starting at $1,300, right? A lot. See, or you to sue me. You should understand my enthusiasm right now, right? There is a lot you can do. Email marketing that you are going to learn here, that you are going to learn in, I think, lecture. What is that? I think module 7, email marketing that you're going to learn here, right? Then after that, I want to show you another thing. If you go here, where is it? I think it is under programming and tech. Chatbots. You see chat robots. If you click on chatbots, if it is just chatbots that you master in your own, just what you master is chatbots, What you master is chatbots, messenger chatbots. That's just what you master, right? You can also come here and sell your service. Do you understand? You can sell your service depending on your skill level, depending on how you want to pull people in. Do you understand? You can come and sell this one too, right? You can come and sell it here as well. So there is actually a lot you can do. That's just what I'm saying. Now, the moment of truth. This is when I'm going to show you how to have access. Now, here is the thing. It is 10 people. Don't come to my DM and come and beg. Once the 10 slot is taken, please, there's nothing I can do for you. I'm not taking more than 10. After the 10 has been taken, in fact, this is not about, let me even show you. So from here, what will happen is that I'm going to share a link with you guys. I'm going to share it with everyone so that it will be first come, first have. So the link is going to be like this. All right, so after I share the link and you click on the link, you should land on this page right here. Let me open it in a private browser. All right, I'm going to share the link, and can you guys still see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to share the link. After I share the link with you, you click on the link. Please, the reason why I'm taking this as slow as possible is that anybody will not come and be asking me sweet questions. Do you understand? Because in fact, immediately after I share the link with you guys, I'm just going to, start going on. All right. Before I can answer any messages or something, it's probably going to be around 9:30, 10. Do you understand? When I'm fully settled. All right. Because I don't want you to come and start asking me sweet questions. This is as easy and as simple as possible. So it's still loading. I don't know why my network is slow tonight. But this is how the page looks like. Do you understand? This is the page that you are going to land on. And you are going to see this code right here. Z7, whatever. All what I need you to do is to go ahead and copy it. Copy this code. All right? What I need you to do is to copy the code. It is done in our private window. What I need you to do is to copy the code. So after you copy the code, just go ahead and copy the code. Now click the button that is right below it. Apply coupon here. Click on it. Immediately after you click on the button right below it. All right. Immediately after you click on the button right below it. I don't know. This thing is slowing up. This thing is giving me issue. All right. So after you click on the button right below it. All right. Please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, please. Please mute your microphone. Don't disturb me. So immediately after you click on the button, that button that says apply coupon here, is going to take you to this page. I don't know why this thing is loading very slowly. It's really bumming me out. All right, it's bumming me out. It's still loading. I don't know what's wrong with network. Okay, this one has already done. So when you get here, you are going to get to the course page. But instead of continue here, in my case, you're actually going to have add to cart. It's going to be showing you add to cart here. Do you understand? It's going to be showing you add to cart. I don't know why this is still loading. In fact, I'm not going to use this. Let me just log out from here. All right, let me log out from here. All right, let me log out from here. So if I log out from here, let's start all over again from this place. So that's, I don't know why this one is just slowing up. I don't know, this is still loading. All right, so this is what you should do. It should look like, you should see add to cart here, add to cart. Do you understand? But I'm not using this. This is, hey, ogun ishumashe o. Okay, anyways, let's say this is it, right? So what I need you guys to do is to click on add to cart. Just click on add to cart. All right, add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, it will load and it will show view cart. It should show view cart after it's done. Let me just, okay, apply coupon. Let's try it here. All right, once you click on apply coupon, it's going to take you here. Don't forget, you've already copied that code. It's going to take you here, and you are going to click on add to cart. Don't forget, add to cart, very important. So once you click on add to cart, it's going to show view cart here. That's why I'm taking it as simple as possible. All right, do you understand? This is a review someone left. This course is a total life changer. The community and mentorship offered by Mr. Sam is just amazing. So fortunate to be a member. All right, so what you can do is now click on view cart. After you click on add to cart, it will change the button to view cart. Click on view cart. So after you click on view cart, all right, it will take you to the cart page. Now this is where you are going to apply your code. Now what I need you to do right now, this place that says coupon, this place that says coupon code, this place that says coupon code, that code that you copied, paste it here. Now the price right now is 20,000 naira. So what I need you to do is to paste the code here and click on apply coupon. All right, once you click on apply coupon, something amazing will happen. So it will keep on loading, and then after a while, when it is done loading, it will change the price. It will change the price to what? 6,500 naira. It has the sponsorship code has removed 13,500 naira. Now the new price is what? Is 6,500 naira. Do you understand? Now what you need to do is to click on proceed to checkout. Click on proceed to checkout. This is very, very important. This is super important. Click on proceed to checkout. All right. Click on proceed to checkout. It's still loading. I don't know why network is slow tonight, but you guys get the point. After you apply the code, apply coupon, after you apply the code, you can click to proceed to checkout. So when you get to checkout, just go ahead and fill this form right here. Fill this form. Your name, put in your name, put in your name, put in everything, put in your name, your address, your town, everything, your phone number, and this is the most important part. Here, where it says email address, remember this email address and remember the password in which you are setting, because that is what you are going to use to log in the future. So set a password. Let's say you are setting and you are putting your email address to be olusam. Let me just say olusam@gmail.com. This is a demo purchase, and I'm going to put I'm going to put a fake password, and I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down here, and I can pay with direct bank transfer or pay with debit card. Do you understand? If you are paying with direct bank transfer, click on direct bank transfer, go ahead and click on place order. All right, go ahead and click on place order. And if you are paying with debit card, you will be paying with Paystack. Just click on debit card, and then once you proceed, it will take you to where you are going to pay with your debit card. And then after you are done paying with your debit card and the payment is successful and it tells you the payment has been successful, you are going to come here. Your order has been confirmed. This is where it will bring you. But you that you are paying with with debit with bank transfer, is going to show you my bank details here. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and make the payments here in any of these bank bank details. Then after you are done, come to my DM, send me a message. You send me a message in my DM that, sir, I just paid for the whatever, and show me your payment proof. After you send me your payment proof, maybe screenshot or whatever, I'm going to go ahead. I have a mobile application on my phone that will allow me to grant you access. Do you understand? It will allow me to grant you access. So after I've granted you access, do you understand? Let's say I've granted you access now. After I've granted you access, it will allow me. So after access has been granted to you, right? And I told you that access has been granted to you. Congratulations. Just come to just come to course dashboard. These 3 lines that are here, just come to course dashboard. Or you should come to this, left bar that is here, click on course dashboard. So once you get to course dashboard, I already told you that access has been granted to you. Come to course dashboard. So once you get to course dashboard, the first thing I need you to do is to make sure you upload a new profile picture. But then you are going to see instructions on how to do that in the master course. So what you need to do is you can see enrolled courses is now 1. All right, scroll to the bottom. You are going to see under enrolled courses, you are going to see web design consultancy. Just click on it. Click on web design consultancy now. Do you understand? Immediately after you click on web design consultancy, all right, immediately after you click on web design consultancy, it's going to take you to the course. It's going to take you to the course page. And lo and behold, you are in. Do you understand? You are in. Instead of add to cart now, you now have continue. So click on continue. So once you click on continue or click on any of these lectures here, all right, click on the very first lecture. So you are going to get here. Do you understand? This is like Udemy, where you can take your courses, and then when you are done with this particular course, scroll down and go and click on complete. So once you click on complete, it will say, have you completed this lecture? Yes, you have completed this particular lecture, and it will automatically take you to the next. It will. Sorry, let me just drink water. My throat is dry. So, it will automatically take you to the next lecture. All right. So once you are in the next lecture, you can go ahead and click on play, and you take that particular lecture. Do you understand?
Hi, in this video I will explain why.
Alright, so you can see that this is a professionally created course, and then you can go ahead and take everything. So immediately after you are done with the 9 module, the very last lecture here, lecture 9.4, when you click on lecture 9.4, all right, but please, you have to finish the course first before you try this. So if I see you inside the mentorship group without completing your course, I'm going to chase you out. Do you understand? So you can see, I believe that you had an amazing time learning from this course and other stuff. Join our WhatsApp mentorship group here. Do you understand? So you can click on here. Once you click on here, it will take you to our WhatsApp mentorship group. So once you click on here, it will open WhatsApp and it will ask you to join our mentorship group. Do you understand? Web design mentorship group. Where millionaires are made. Do you understand? That is very, very important. Now, to show you that I mean what I was saying the other time, I'm going to go ahead. Okay, let me reload. To show you that I meant what I said the other time. All right, I'm going to log out of this account. I'm going to log out of this account. I'm going to log in into my administrative account again. Let me log in into my admin account. All right, I'm logging into my admin account, and I want to show you something. Okay, test your humanity. All right. I'm going to log into my admin. What the hell is going on? I'm going to log into my admin account right now. All right. I actually wanted to show you guys something very important. So I'm already back into my admin account. I want to go to the back office right now, and I want to do something that will make you know that I'm not joking. Like this is not joke. Can you guys still hear me, or am I talking to myself?
We can hear you loud.
Yes, we can.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Okay, thank you. So because the network has been doing somehow and I don't know why, so I just want to be sure that you guys can still hear me. All right, now here we are in my dashboard. Now I want to go to, please pay attention to what I'm about to do now. I want to go to marketing. All right, click on marketing. I'll click on coupons. All right, I want to click on marketing coupons. All right, so once I get here, okay, this is marketing. Let me click on coupons. All right, I want to click on coupons. So once I clicked on coupons, you are going to see It's still loading. So this is the particular coupon we are talking about, Z7 and other stuff. So I'm going to click on edit. All right, I'm going to click on edit the coupon. I'm editing the coupon right now. All right, this promotion code ends after the 10th use, and the 10th use means, the 10th use means that after the 10th person makes payment, if you apply it and you did not make payment, you've not taken a slot. After the 10th person makes payment, in fact, let's do something. I'm going to go to usage limit. You see the usage limit here. I'll click on usage limit. It is currently on unlimited usage right now. Do you understand? It is currently on unlimited usage right now. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to write 10. Can you see? This is 10. 1 and 10. So which means after the 10th person use the coupon, it will stop working automatically by itself, so that nobody will come and meet me that, Big Sam, I'm sorry, give me one more slot. All right. So after the 10th person makes payment, that's the thing. 10. Let's click on update. So your time starts now. So let's click on update. That's already updated by itself. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send the link so that it will, your own, I don't want to say your destiny will be in your hands, but literally your destiny is in your hand. Do you understand? So your own destiny is now in your hand. I'm going to copy the link now, and I'll be sending it to the chat section right now. All right, I'll be sending it to the chat section right now. So just follow that instruction and be able to do it. So God bless you guys. That will be the end of our class today. So I would like you guys to go to the WhatsApp. So we are going to continue our class tomorrow. By God's grace, we are going to continue our class tomorrow. You can see we are already on the way to actually making this awesomely beautiful. So by God's grace, tomorrow we are going to continue, building this thing into something very beautiful. So by God's grace, as I've said, this class is completely free. We are going to conclude tomorrow. But I mean, if you think the sponsorship, the mentorship program and the community is what you would like to join, I've already shown you how to access the, opportunity. But just come ahead tomorrow. Even if you can't join it, no problem. Perfectly, completely free, this class. Just come tomorrow, let us finish our class. And by God's grace, I hope you will be able to do something out of it. All right. So we are done for this class today. I hope you guys have gotten value from today's class. Have you guys gotten value from today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have. Thank you so very much.
All right. God bless you, everyone. God bless you, everyone. So
Thank
let's
you.
go back. Let's go back to our WhatsApp group and let's go and have chats. All right. God bless you, everyone. Bye bye. Abiola Adenuga, Miriam Adeola, and so much people that I can't mention right now. So God bless you all. Thank you. And see, I'm sorry, who is that person that said my beard is too much? Someone said my beard is too much yesterday. Who is the person? Now they will not talk.
I did, sir.
You did, Abby.
I did.
That's F Young, right? You did.
Yes, sir. But I've seen it today. It's better. It's cool.
Do you know that I actually went ahead and spent 2,000 naira on haircut yesterday because of you?
Jesus.
It's crazy. But anyways, bye bye everyone.
We will
God
fund your
bless
account,
you.
sir. Give us your account details with the money back.
Thank you. Sinzu money. Oh, yeah. All right. Bye bye, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.
Have a good night. Bye bye.
Okay. I will send the code to our WhatsApp group as well.